This is week 22 of science. It's day 3. This is the day that we generally do the assessment, so that we'll be checking your understanding as teachers. The first thing that you're going to do is don't go into present mode, because you'll need to be moving these words down below around. So you are going to read the paragraph, and then you're going to drag the missing words from the word bank into the correct place. That's pretty straightforward, and sometimes it's a little tricky, but just be patient with it and you'll be able to move those words. The next page is, as we usually have, something where you're going to explain what you're seeing. So you're going to look at this telephone here that's at a park and think about what you've learned and how does this telephone work, and how are you able to make a sound and have it travel to a friend on the other side of the lawn. So as you look at that, you are going to think about the things you've learned. You're going to answer the question in the text box that is provided. On the next slide, as usual, there is a rubric. And this rubric is how we teachers will give you a number grade. So if you can explain how sound travels from one place to another and the relationship between sound and vibration, and you can explain details about how the speaker makes sounds and how the listener hears the sounds, then you're going to be able to get a 4 on this. If you want a 3, you can explain how the sound travels from one place to another and explain the relationship between sounds and vibration. For a 2, I can explain that sound travels from one place to another. And number 1, I can explain what I see in the picture, but I'm not really able to explain how the telephone works. So that's how we will be grading your work. Good luck with this, and I hope you had a fun week learning some more about sound.